This creamy, tangy delicacy is the epitome of simplicity and sophistication, showcasing the harmonious marriage of like a zesty lemon and a luxurious cream. Now, whether you serve it in charming lemon rinds for a whimsical touch or elegant ramekins for a more refined presentation, this posset is a sure way to impress with its vibrant citrus flavor and velvety texture. Hi y'all! Welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making lemon posset. Before we begin, you know the deal, do me a little flavor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get into it. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, granulated sugar, lemon zest, and sea salt. Turn the heat to a medium and continuously stir until the mixture comes to a boil. Now lower the heat to low and bring the mixture to a light simmer. Simmer this for at least 5 minutes until the mixture is slightly thickened. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and the vanilla extract, and let the mixture cool until a skin forms, about 20 minutes or so. While the mixture is cooling, let's work on the lemon rinds. Divide half the lemons in half lengthwise. Carefully remove the pulp and membrane until only the pith and the skin remain. You can discard the pulp or you can save it for some other use. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Divide the mixture into the prepared lemon halves. Refrigerate them until they're completely set, about 2 to 3 hours. Garnish with fresh raspberries and minced leaves. Enjoy, babes! Now for the full recipe, head to that description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There are so many delicious recipes from chefs on Cozymeal, so do not forget to check the rest of them out. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! Until next time.